What's up, guys? So Steven did it again.
Yep.
Built a mini ramp.
And it's really windy.
So the cool thing about this ramp is you can take it apart. It like comes apart in sections and you can move it. I never really thought about that when building a ramp. You can just take the midsection out and take the quarter pipes out and just carry one piece at a time. So over here, this kind of messes with me because it's about less than 2 feet and I can't really do an axle stall on this side, but this really helps. But this really helps when I'm trying to drop in and get a little more speed for that side. Oh my gosh, this is so dangerous. That's why he put all this wood in front of this glass window, because it is literally right next to where we're doing tricks.
Yeah, I probably should have flipped it around the other way. Well, it's fun. It's a fun little ramp. I did the transition by hand because I wanted it to be really, really mellow. It's 18.5 inches tall. It's 4 feet wide. The quarter pipes are 5 feet and 3 inches long. And then the deck is 8 feet right now, but I can change it to 6, or I can change it to 4 or 2 or whatever I wanted. And yeah.
And you can watch his kids sleeping.
Yeah, it's the only way.
Does this just stay out here for everybody, all the people outside, to watch the kids sleeping?
No.
It's not like that. So,
This is, yeah.
we've got the one little crack we've got to watch
That
out
was
for.
my poor measurement that I was doing earlier to salvage this thing together.
That's the hardest thing about like multiple layers of wood, is getting everything right when it comes to like the length of all that stuff.
So this thing is really slick, which is really good for reverts and stuff like that. But also, there's not a lot of coping, so it's kind of hard to lock in. You slip out, fall a lot. But it's a pretty good ramp. And if you live in the Lexington area, Steven's trying to sell this thing for $300. So hit him up. It's _ at Steven _ I think. So now we're gonna try to put this thing up. It's actually on wheels,